Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 8. The dominant foreign exchange earner of Senegal is A. Tourism, B. Granite, C. Fish, D. Iron ore, E. Farming. So which of these is the dominant foreign exchange earner for Senegal? Senegal depends mostly on foreign exchange to keep up with its economy. So Senegal depends mostly on foreign exchange for its GDP and other things. Now, in the olden time, it used to be granite. Granite used to be their major source of foreign exchange, but currently it is fishing. So in some textbooks you might see granite, but currently the dominant foreign exchange earner for Senegal is fishing, and that makes option C the right answer. You will see some people saying granite because that used to be their dominant foreign exchange earner, but currently it's fishing actually. So fishing is the dominant earner for them for now. Thank you.